Hey everybody, Joe Casabona here, and I am doing a little bit of a mic test. So, a few weeks ago, I posted on the YouTube channel and on my blog that I was trying out a new shotgun mic. That shotgun mic was originally being processed through the Universal Audio Aero, which is a great tool for people who know what they're doing. And it served me really well. My friend Sean Hesketh got me set up and configured with it, but I didn't really know what I was doing when it came to adding a second, different mic that needed different processing. I've since picked up the Rodecaster Pro, which has been serving me really well because it allows me to do the things I know how to do while handling the rest of the stuff. So in this video, what I'm doing is a little bit of a, not a mic shootout, but a shotgun mic positioning shootout. So right now, the mic is right here, right? I'm tapping it right now. It is on a boom arm that I have, and it's positioned kind of diagonally pointing at my mouth. If you watched the last video with the arrow and it connected to the camera, there was a bit of an echo here. So this is the microphone on a boom arm, and then I'm going to cut to me talking into the microphone with the Rodecaster Pro connected to the camera to see if there's really any difference. I hope there's not, because I do want to get that as best sound quality as possible out of this thing, but having it attached to the camera gives me a bit more flexibility for where I can point the camera. So I can broadcast from over here if I want. I can do this shot, or I can move the camera out to look at the entire room. So I hope I can have that flexibility, but I don't really want to sacrifice like that that lack of echo that I'm getting. So again, here is the shotgun mic on a boom arm right here, just off frame. So we'll see how that sounds compared to it being on top of the camera. Okay, and now I'm back with the microphone on top of the camera. So here it is, again, just out of frame. I'm tapping it. It's not that much further from me, but when it was positioned over here, there wasn't a wall directly behind it, which means there was probably a lot less echo. And probably I was getting kind of more of the input pattern. It was a little bit closer, so this might be a little bit quieter, but I don't think it's going to be any less echoey. So we'll see. Maybe it sounds different side by side, but I don't think it sounds that much worse, to the point where I'm willing to sacrifice flexibility for maybe something marginally louder or marginally less echoey. But we'll see what happens. Okay, and just for some comparison's sake here, kind of like the control group, here is what the built-in iMac Pro microphone sounds like. This is a little bit unfair because the microphone's actually like here, and I'm talking to you here. But if I turn and talk directly at that microphone, maybe you'll hear a bit of a difference. But as just kind of a control group, here's what we're moving up from. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to this channel for more great content. And if you have any questions about the gear I'm using, be sure to ask them in the comments. I've also linked to a kit that I'm using in the description. So thanks so much. And until next time, get out there and build something.